But let me talk about the big events which are lined up for tomorrow, or rather for the next week, because there's just less than 4 minutes left for this week to end. US Fed rate decision, of course, on September 17th, 18th, that will be the biggest talking point. So let's watch out for that. The consensus on the street is a 25 basis point cut, but if it is 50, part of the street will not be too surprised, though this could be a bit of a concern that perhaps Fed sees bigger slowdown in the economy and hence the bigger push coming in. Bajaj Housing Finance listing, that's the big one to watch out for come Monday. Whether it lists at a premium of 60, 70, 80, 90, whatever percent is something to watch out for. UK, Japan rate decisions are impending in the coming week. Also, there is that expectation that China can adjust the prime loan rates, and that was the reason, perhaps part of the reason as such, why yesterday the stock markets were excited, because China's slowdown has been a worrying factor. So if that does turn about, that will be interesting, and that data point will come up for you shortly. The China loan prime rates as well. Jammu and Kashmir, state will hold the first local government elections as well. So the elections, they start from September 18. It will go on till the month of October as well. But at least the first phase will start, and definitely very interesting, Aisha, from the kind of impact it will have on the local politics as well. That's the latest as far as the market is concerned and what we're expecting next week. But overall, the week hasn't been too jarring, right? We made fresh record highs this week for what it's worth, and ending above the 25,300 mark quite solidly.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, most days were a very, very, quiet and sedate start, and only then we did see the markets move the way they did. And of course, Thursday is definitely going to be the shining day amidst the entire week. But you know what? Let me take it across to Snehi and find out how the closing trades have panned out.
Absolutely. Let's take a look at how the day has panned out, and Nifty has been range bound rather in today's trading session, continued to be in the red over the course of the day, very flat with a slight negative bias, 0.1% cut coming in on Nifty, 34 points lower, but still above that 25,350 mark for now, but comfortably above that 25,300 mark is where we'll be closing today for sure. Sensex also in tandem with the Nifty today, you have almost a 0.1%, a less than 0.1% cut coming in. So very flattish moves, but testing that 82,900 mark is the Sensex as of now. Nifty Bank is one segment that has done pretty well in today's trading session, held up smartly, almost 0.3% gain coming in on Nifty point, roughly 150 points higher is where that index is right now. But if you take a look at the broader markets today, this is the space that has really cheered the markets today, outperformed the benchmark indices today. Nifty mid cap up 0.6%, you have Nifty small cap up also 0.7%, the small cap pack being the real gainer in today's trade. However, if you see the advance decline ratio steeply in favor of the advances, so overall it's been a rather good day for the markets, and overall it's been a very good week for the markets as well, because you had fresh records high coming in for Nifty yesterday. Sensex was in focus today. Nifty mid cap 100 has reached a new record high level, surpassed that 6,000 mark in today's trading session as well. That was the Nifty mid cap. Overall for the week, you have Nifty FMCG and Pharma also, they had also reached their record high levels as well. But today, if you take a look at some sectoral gainers and losers, Nifty Realty, Media, PSU Bank, Metal, IT. These were your big gainers in today's trade. However, FMCG and Energy have ended the day in the red today. So largely this is what was happening on the back of sectoral moves. But if you take a look at some of the big buzzers in today's trade, Bajaj Finserv did pretty well for itself on the back of that MK initiation note coming in. Bharti Hexacom was a smart gainer in today's trade on the back of that Jefferies upgrade coming in on the rating as well as the target price. 5.5% higher is where that stock is slated to end the day today. You had Jefferies on Bharti Airtel also maintained a buy rating and hiked the target price. You also had Adani Ports that was in focus, Hindalco, DLF, jewelry stocks were in focus on the back of gold reaching an all-time high, as well as the note coming in from JP Morgan. In fact, lots to watch out for in today's trading session. Kalyan Jewelers also 4.5% higher. But well, yes, to sum it up, Nifty around that 25,340 mark, slightly below that 25,300, but comfortably above 25,000 our 300 as well. So that's where we are shutting shop for the day. Almost 0.2% cut coming in on Nifty in today's trading session.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.